everyone, welcome back to A Wilder Life. Today we are out at the RSPB at Pulborough Brooks. This is our local RSPB, we absolutely love it here. So we've come here, it's a little bit cloudy, a little bit drizzly, but we're really excited to kind of have a wander around and see what we might see. So we literally just come down this first path here and we've already seen a red kite fly over. I think I was a little bit slow in terms of getting my camera ready to go and record it, but yeah, really nice to start the walk and already see a red kite.
Pulborough Brooks has a fantastic range of habitats including wetlands, ponds and ditches, woodlands and woodland edges and heathland. Here we can see some mature trees covered in ivy, or in Latin, Hedera helix.
Ivy is actually a really great source of food for wildlife, particularly in winter. Apparently, gram for gram, the berries hold as much calories as chocolate.
So we're just here at the first hide for our little loop that we're doing. It's the Westmead hide. It's really fantastic for ducks, wildfowl and waders really. So this morning we think there might be some snipe around as well. So we're going to go and have a little look now and hopefully find some snipe. little bit quiet in that second hide. The lapwing did get spooked into the air by something. We saw a red kite hunting out the back, so we're not sure what might spook them. We did see a buzzard fly past as well. It was really quick, so it could have been that kind of pushed them all up into the air, but we're just going to carry on walking now and see what else we can find.
The team at Pulborough Brooks do a great job of managing the site. Key to this is habitat creation such as insect hotels, log piles and mixed native hedges.
Here you can see they've made a snag in this tree, which is basically killing off that tree to create standing deadwood. Deadwood is a fantastic source of food and shelter for a range of different wildlife, including owls, woodpeckers and also bats.
No trip to Pulborough Brooks would be complete without a visit to the cafe, so we treated ourselves to some cake before heading back out for some more exploring. So we can see the peregrine falcon right now. This is the tree that it really likes to sit in, so yeah, really nice for us to come here today and see that it is hanging out. It's kind of unhelpfully sitting with lots of branches in front of it, so it's a bit difficult to get footage of it, but yeah, just really nice to see it.
This scrub area is absolutely rife with ground nesting birds. Scrub, which usually consists of brambles, hawthorns and blackthorns, as it matures it can get quite dense and shade out light at ground level. Areas of denser scrub is great for nightingales and warblers, but if the ground level gets too shaded out, it makes it less suitable for them because there's fewer invertebrates and insects that they can eat and feed their young chicks with. The team at Pulborough Brooks are doing some work to manage this area by clearing some of the scrubland on a rotational basis to get more of a mosaic pattern of habitats. An area that has edgeland scrub has a great diversity of plant life, including wildflowers.
So that's it for this video. I think it's just about to start raining, so we're going to head back to the car now. It's just been such a nice day walking around. We've really enjoyed it here today, and some highlights of seeing the snipe and also the peregrine in its tree was really nice too. So if you like this video, we'd love for you to give us a like and a subscribe, and we'd love to hear in the comments what your favourite RSPBs are as well, and we'll catch you in the next one.